everyone, I'm Winnie from Licheng Machinery.
Hi, I'm Caesar from Licheng Machinery. We're the top one manufacturer for the CNC machining center in China, and we strive to provide customized solutions for your aluminum windows making. Today, we are at one of our clients' factory, LPSK Windows.
Yes, LPSK is one of our important business partners. It was founded in 1993. At first, they are the supplier for the aluminum extrusion profile. Then in 2022, they tended to focus on the ecological and high-quality development.
Yes, so in 2023, LPSK chose one of our production line among so many suppliers. Now, with constant innovation, LPSK has grown into a leading manufacturer for the raw materials of aluminum alloy and high-quality aluminum windows.
Today, we're going to show you the real performance of our automatic production line for the windows.
Yes, so please stay tuned and subscribe our channel from Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Now, let's get started. Well, now behind me is our S400 series production line. It consists of one CNC machining center, 2 drilling machines, and 2 end milling machines. Apart from that, a stocking unit is connected to the end of it. Well, let's look at this section. It is the loading area. You can load at most 7 pieces of aluminum profiles at one time. And the length of this profile starts from 0.3 meters to 7 meters, and the max width of the profiles is 150 millimeters. So whether you produce large or small windows, our production line is always your best choice. Well, let's look at here. Here is the clamp. Can you see that? The clamp will fold and push the profiles forward to the machining center. And there's a huge display. The workers will see all the information about the profiles, so the worker will know which profiles will be loaded onto the conveyor belt. And as you can see, there's only one worker here, so our production line will not only boost your productivity by at least 30%, but it will also lower your labor cost. Well, let's look at the machining center. And here is our CNC machining center. It's designed to perform CNC milling, drilling, and saw cutting. At most, 4 drills and 3-meter saws are installed for various applications. For example, the front drill is designed to through the draining holes, and the rear drill is designed to through the injection hole. So each of the drill has its unique functions. And after drilling, milling, and saw cutting, each of the profiles will be printed with a QR code. Well, I will show you. Each of the profiles will be printed with such a label. On it, there is a QR code. The detector backwards will see all the specification of these profiles and allocates each profile to designated section. So the whole process is automatic and intelligent.
The profile out from the machining center running on the sorting line, it will stop at the position of the milling center. So here you can see this is our milling center. The model is P140, and also the laser milling head is optional. Here is the only milling head for different 6 kind of tools, automatically changing the tool box. Here you can see it's changing the tools for different kinds of the hole. The milling of the hole is smoothly and fast. The surface changing is automatically controlled by the servo motor. So that means one profile can be milled for 3 surfaces one time. And also you can see the 4 groups of the clamping tools. It can meet different kinds of the profile size, maximum to 140 plus 140 millimeter. And the machine equipped with the robotic arm. Equipped with the robotic arm, it can be fully automatically. So you can see here the whole line, only one operator can operate this line. For this double head in the milling machine, it also could milling the protective corner of the sachets and also the U-type grooving corner of the frame. For this buffer station, their total could be 50 grooves of the window inside. They have 25 layers in length. The loading and unloading speed for each profile is 20 seconds. That is so fast compared with manually matching for one group of the window.
Alright guys, we have demonstrated the real performance of our CNC production line for aluminum windows. I hope you have enjoyed this video and know more about windows making. If you want to improve your productivity and lower your costs, don't forget to contact us. You can visit our website at www.leadcnc.com, or you can subscribe our channel from Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. Okay, I have to wrap up this video. See you next time. Bye.